Welcome back to CLiK Trading Education. It's been a wild week across global markets. Volatility spiked, crypto collapsed, precious metals surged, and traders consumed more coffee than sleep. Week ending 14th November 2025 saw a decisive shift in sentiment. Risk appetite faded, volatility jumped, and markets struggled to find direction. Let's break down what moved, why it mattered, and how to stay strategic in this environment. Equities pulled back as tech valuations came under scrutiny and earnings momentum slowed. The S&P 500 dipped 0.48%, the Nasdaq fell 0.9%, and the Russell 2000 took the biggest hit, down 2.41%, as investors rotated out of growth-sensitive sectors. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones just about stayed afloat, up 0.04%, reflecting a flight toward defensive income-generating names. The VIX spiked sharply, rising 6.73% on the week. We opened at 1858, shot up to 23.03 and closed near 1983. This move reflects growing unease around global growth expectations, crypto markets collapsing, central banks signaling caution, and the technology sector showing cracks. Precious metals stole the spotlight. Gold climbed 2.17% and silver surged nearly 5% as investors sought shelter from rising volatility and geopolitical uncertainty. Oil stayed relatively stable, closing slightly higher at $60.09, as OPEC supply concerns were largely offset by subdued global demand. The US dollar eased just 0.1%, while both the euro and pound gained ground on improved economic indicators. The yen moved higher as Japan stuck to its ultra-loose monetary policy. Meanwhile, the Swissy fell 1.41%, driven by safe haven flows into the Swiss franc, and then crypto. If you're still holding your breath, exhale. Bitcoin dropped 10%, Ethereum fell over 11%, XRP slid 3.6%, and Solana took a brutal 15% hit. A sharp withdrawal of institutional flows, rising fear readings, and tech equity correlations triggered an aggressive unwind across major tokens. 5 major forces shaped this week's story. Technology-led risk-off sentiment, fading momentum behind global rate cuts, strong safe haven demand, cryptocurrency capitulation, and a mixed, uncertain commodity outlook. Next week's key events include Bank of England rate decision, global PMI data from the UK, Eurozone and US, more big tech earnings, OPEC supply updates, and potential crypto regulatory headlines. In volatile markets, discipline is the real edge. Mark your key levels early, size positions responsibly, and let price action confirm your bias. Trade the flow, not the FOMO. This week's preparation checklist. Reassess risk parameters, track macro announcements, watch gold USD correlations, monitor crypto spillovers into equities, and stick to your trading process. This was your CLiK Trading Education Weekly Roundup. Stay sharp, stay structured, and I'll see you in the next session.